Blessings and guidance, everybody. It's your boy Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to my channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Yeah, man. Today, guys, I have a quick product review for you guys, all about this right here, the infamous Tornador. Yeah, man. This is definitely one of my favorite detailing tools. I'm going to show you guys how I use it every day in my detailing business. Right. First up, my people, when you get it straight out the box, this piece is not attached, right? So you got to attach this piece into here. Quick pro tip, you want to use some thread tape. Put the thread tape on and then attach it. Just put it snug, don't over tight the thing, right? Just put it snugly, right? So yeah, man, once you have your Tornador connected to your air hose, which is obviously connected to your air compressor of your choice, a quick tip I can give you, you got to set the air pressure on your air compressor to the right PSI to use with your Tornador so it blows efficiently. You know what I'm saying, people? So the air compressor I have is, you can check it out over here, is a rigid 200 PSI, 4.5 gallon. I mean, it's very popular in the detailing world. A lot of you guys out there might have the same one. I'm sure a lot of you guys probably have the Tornador as well, right? It's an OG product, right? But it's so awesome, I have to do a review on it. See, my people, you gotta set this dial here at the right PSI to run the Tornador efficiently, right? So I'm gonna crank up the generator, turn on the air compressor, and show you what I have mine set at. Yeah, man, quick pro tip how you can run the Tornador efficiently with the air compressor. On my rigid here, I have this preset at 100 PSI. So that way when you pull the trigger, it will pretty much dip to around 90, and that's an efficient PSI to run the Tornador with this particular air compressor. So see, take a look. All right, detailers out there, let me know what PSI you run your Tornador with and if it's efficient for you or not. All right, one way you can use the Tornador, my people, check it out. You have your mats, right? They always have debris on them. Check this out, my people. See, it's definitely very useful on mats to loosen up that debris and blow it away. All right, my people, I want you guys to stick around to the end of the video because I have a quick tip I can give you how to clean the Tornador. So stay tuned. The same way you use it on your mats, you can do it on the carpet same way, right, my people? So if you look in there really quick, you can see that there's some debris on the carpet. So take a look. Especially along the seams or the edges. Like right here, check it out. So it just blows away and loosens up the debris. And if you can, you just probably aim it this way and try and blow most of the debris you can out the car. Or what I like to do is just kind of keep it up to the front. Whatever you can get out the car, you kind of just blow it towards the front. So that way when you come back and do your vacuum, most of the debris is towards the front. You know what I'm saying? So it's a great way to loosen up all of the debris to give you an easier vacuum. Even in these crevices here too, you can pretty much anywhere, my people, anywhere where dust is or dirt, grime, debris, whatever, you can blow away using this tool. You can blow off all the dust off of all the panels. When I come in here, like all the vents, you get the drift, my people, right? So it will definitely help loosen up all that stuff before you actually go in and actually scrub or wipe down the panels. With that said, let me show you how you can use your cleaner and the Tornador in combination to clean up your panels, right? For example, I have the express cleaner here, my detailing brush, the Scrub Ninja. When you're scrubbing down your panels and you wipe down, you're gonna definitely have areas where the cleaner kind of gets in these seams. Where you can use your detailing brush, of course, in these areas here. But if you want to dry up the product, it comes in very useful to dry up any of your product. You know what I'm saying, my people? Especially in these areas here, the tight The harder to reach places like where your switches are and stuff like that, like in these areas here. And then you can use your towel, of course, to mop up. But a lot of the times the towel doesn't get into these really tight grooves. I mean, you can take your time, but just to make your workflow more efficient, you can use a Tornador and help dry up those areas. You know, when you get behind here, scrubbing all along in here, you have all these little cracks and crevices, right? People, this is just for demonstration purposes, you know, we're not doing a thorough job here. We're just doing this as a quick demo to give you guys some tips. Okay, you don't know, it's all about the tips and tricks over here. I like to share with all my viewers, right? Viewers, drop some flags, let me know where you're watching from. Don't know, see? So you mopped up with your towel and they have some leftover residue there or leftover product. You can go ahead and use the Tornador and it will dry it up just like that. Yeah man, you cup all the area. You just get rid of the initial debris. Be cleaner. You know, it's not hard to reach with your towel. But what I'm saying is once you do that, you often do have some leftover cleaner. This is awesome to just help dry it up. And then, you know, your detailing brush. You know, mop up what you can with your towel. Dry up the rest with the air tool, with the Tornador. It's just very handy to improve the efficiency of your workflow. You see, even like any dust on the dash, any dust in these areas here. Right, you get the drift, my people. So like I'm saying, guys, it's not rocket science, you know, the gist of it is it can blow away any dust, dirt, grime, especially on the interior, on your mats, your carpets. But on the exterior, it can blow away water also, you know what I mean? Way I use it pretty much on every detail is once I've done the exterior and it's wet and I'm wiping out my door jambs. I mean, these door jambs are not wet at the moment, but bear with me just for example. You know, if you're here wiping down your door jambs in these hard to reach areas, you can use the Tornador also and just, you know, to get rid of the water that's settled in there, you know what I mean? So it's another quick tip by Clean Car Chris. Yeah man, if you guys take a look inside the Tornador nozzle itself, you can see it's a circular cone shape and this plastic piece whips around like that in a circular motion when the air is flowing through it. That's why the name Tornador, because you know, the wind is cycling basically like a cycloning, like a Tornador, you know what I mean? So in there can get pretty dirty at times, right? Because you're blowing all of this dust and stuff. This one is not too dirty because I do clean it pretty regularly, but here's a tip I can share with you, how you can clean out your Tornador. Just get yourself a bucket of soapy water, clean soapy water of course. Just dip it in, fire away a couple times, and that will help clean out the inside of the nozzle. You can actually see it a little bit cleaner. Hopefully the camera can pick it up. It's a little bit wet in there, but if you look in there now, it's not perfect guys, but just for demonstration purposes, I can see with my eye it's not as dusty or dirty in there anymore. So that's another tip by boy Clean Car Chris. Alright my people, I hope you guys found value in this video all about the infamous Tornador, the OG car detailing tool. Drop me some comments, let me know how you guys use your Tornador in your detailing business. I'm gonna leave a link to it in the description so you can check it out if you want. You already know guys, 4 p.m. every Wednesday we got hot content for you. Product reviews, cinematic visuals, awesome beats while I'm out there detailing in the field. You understand, tips, tricks, all of that. So you don't know, show your boy some love, subscribe, respect.